Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 15, mga must-try filter products plus Lemon Crinkle Mukbang by Tsaa't Gatas Mukbang. Zone 2A, Barangay Balabago, Jaro, Iloilo City. Very limited lang yung parking space and along the road lang siya mga nose. They're good for on-the-go products or for takeout. But don't worry, very soon available sila for dining experience for their loyal customers. They're open Mondays to Friday, 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. and they are closed on Sundays. And for full list of menu, I'll be providing description down below. And disclaimer lang mga nose, is my own honest opinion and own standards when it comes to drinks, milk tea products, coffee, fraps, and other fruit-based products. And this video is sponsored by Tsaa't Gatas. Hi there mga nose, so I have here milk tea products by Tsaa't Gatas Mukbang and also their Lemon Crinkles. So let's start. For our first drink, this is Matcha milk tea for 16 ounce, 65 pesos. Mga nose, yung trademark ng Tsaa't Gatas, ma-distinguish mo talaga or yung uniqueness ng natural milk na ginagamit nila. Ang sarap niya, tapos yung matcha essence, nandun yung hinahanap ko na thickness or lapuit feel. Pearls nila, very soft, very easy to eat. Tapos, may konting cream cheese essence dito sa cup na to. Our second drink is their iced mocha for coffee base, 16 ounce. Base for iced mocha. Ito, ma-distinguish mo talaga yung mocha essence or yung cacao powder na ginagamit nila. At the same time, coffee essence niya, nandun siya. Hindi siya super strong coffee, mild taste yung coffee essence niya. So I have here mga nose, Lemon Crinkles for 6. Yung signature milk ng Tsaa't Gatas, Doon talaga nag-stand out sa akin. Tapos yung Thai tea essence niya, yung lasa sa akin. Kasi hindi siya yung type na Thai tea na super sweet or nag-overpower sa sweetness. Tamang-tamang timpla ng sugar content or sugar level. Ubusin ko na to yung Lemon Crinkles. So last piece na to, and okay, for rating, for matcha milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For ice mocha, I'll give this a perfect 10. For strawberry milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For purple corn milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for Thai milk tea with chia seeds, I'll give this a perfect 10. So thank you so much, Tsaa't Gatas, for allowing me na i-shoot or i-feature mga products nyo. Hopefully, will invite me again. Try ko talaga yung new products nyo, especially sa beer teas. Also, I would like to thank Sir Jem for rating me and for assisting me when it comes to their products. And so, Tsaa't Gatas Milk Tea Hub maintains their good service, good quality of product, very accommodating barista and owner, also budget-friendly, unique taste of natural fresh milk for their milk teas. So once again, a big thank you for Tsaa't Gatas and congratulations! Thank you for watching, mga kanos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesso saying, bye!